Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the CAS video update today. And we are already in a CAS update in my private, and unfortunately the entry is already closed. So it's like 2 days ago I did actually post the call for CAS, and in yesterday's video I've been talking about CAS moving to the upside. So basically I've seen CAS coming down like this, moving sideways. Now, for some reason, we had this little bit of a left shoulder head, like a head and shoulder. But, again, the breakout started here, and we are already taking off to the upside. So you can see this is an ascending triangle that has been formed up. And we do have like a 10% move to the upside. I just want to show you the call that I gave. Yeah, and this was back actually yesterday when I was talking about CAS. So we were buying at 484. And I do think I want to sell it at 61 actually. So we're sitting at 0.05 at the moment. So it's just like a little bit of a pump that has already happened. So this is almost like we are up nearly 3 to 4% at the moment. But this is it's a progress, right? It's already a progress. Now talking about this ascending triangle here, the ascending triangle is going to give us like a 10% move up. So I'm just going to take the top to the bottom right there. And you can see that CAS is on its way to actually go back up to 0.053719. So basically, I'm looking for nearly a 10% win, at least for now. But I do believe that CAS may be looking to even come up to 0.06 as well. And that's going to complete like a 20%, I guess. So that's going to be from there to there. Yeah, like a 22% move to the upside. But even 10% is not bad. 10% is pretty good for a while if you're investing like even $1,000 or something. So the next thing here is that, in my opinion, a lot of people may have their stop loss right over here, and it's time we pump up, we take that stop loss, and then we're going to see something else. In yesterday's video, I've talked about the daily time frame, and the daily time frame to me personally does look like a very big cup and handle. And I just told you that this is your like very nice good cup right there, the handle right here, and this is where the technical target comes in at 0.06 and even 0.07 as well. So we may be looking at CAS moving to the upside. Now right now October has already started, and October looks pretty good to me as well. The weekly is about to end because today is Sunday. And on a Sunday, we may be looking at CAS to probably come up here and close above. And if you look for a very strong closing like this, next week we may be looking at another push to the upside as well for CAS. So it does look beautiful, doesn't it, on the weekly? Cup and handle. Pretty good to me. So that's it for this quick update on CAS. I'm going to see you the next one. I love this.